It's wild out here. But I'm not gonna be cold because we all camouflaged out here. You see it? It's crazy. We out here, man. We out here getting it. And the dog's taking a shit. You see it? Nor'easter. Let's see, I'm a. Good, how are you?
I don't know.
Surviving, huh? Oh yeah. We're surviving. We got a few people. It is insane. I've seen the worst. Oh man. There's nowhere to go. Oh my goodness. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna put my shit in the car. And you know what? I might as well just fucking keep this shit rolling. Or go live. Yeah, I might as well just go live. I'll just keep that shit running. Yeah, I think my GoPro's still going. I'll touch this shit a couple times, just sit, clean it, and that's what we gotta do. We gotta run this shit. Yeah, let's run this shit. We're gonna run this shit until the camera dies. Alright? That's the goal for today. We're gonna run this shit until the camera dies. I need goggles, man. I should have brought goggles. Fix my shit real quick. Y'all see this shit? This shit fell in the fucking snow. Now it's looking pretty, huh? Shout out to the fucking nor'easter. Let's run it. If I don't go live right now, I might fucking just go live later. Whew. Okay, we still rolling. We going on a hunt. Whew. This is crazy. I don't know who the fuck is driving, but you insane. If you're driving right now, you are insane. I'm just going on a hood tour right now and see what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna turn off my camera. Ah, fuck. My uncle's calling me. He's always calling me. I don't know what for. Okay, my cam is still rolling. Apparently, I won't be able to circle around, but I will circle around. You see my fucking GoPro? You see I'm out here doing my thing, man? I am not working for Fox 25. Fucking ABC News. I am not doing this for nobody. Woo! These boys are working extra hard. Okay then. Okay. We still rolling. Yeah, still rolling. Thank God my GoPro is on. You see it. You see it. I think I should fucking just walk in the middle of the street. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I see a couple people. Actually, I see a couple people. I don't know where they're going. You guys are just going around?
What's that?
You guys are just going around?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have my GoPro on me and I'm just gonna go around. But oh my God.
This is crazy.
This is insane.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You have no idea looking from in the house. You can't tell it's bad.
Right. Oh my goodness. I thought it was better.
Yeah.
So do we.
It's insane. I do cardio. I run, but it's just walking in the snow. Oh my goodness. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, we're hoping a short walk we can
Oh my goodness. That's exactly what I'm on. All right, guys. All right. Ooh. See a car coming. I might help a few people. Salvo or something. Okay, see a car coming. I gotta move to the side because all the sidewalks are covered in snow. And as you can see it, my eyelids are all covered in snow. I'm doing exactly what I used to do in Haiti. The main road, you had to get off the main road. If you see the donkeys and the horses coming, you move to the side until they pass by, and then you proceed. As you see, this guy's moving very slow. How's it going? Oh my goodness. The nor'easter. The nor'easter's taking over. I gotta adjust this thing, but oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay. It's better now. Shit. This shit's putting me to shame. It's only 3 p.m.ish right now, just so y'all know. And whew, this shit's crazy, bro. It's insane. This is insane. Let me see if I can go to maybe. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around. This is what we're looking at. This is what the shit looks like. Ridiculous. Maybe I should go to that main road. Let me try that. Go to the main road. Sidewalks are all blocked. Okay. It's hard to walk going through this bullshit. But I guess that's my cardio for today. Let me fix my camera. We going. It's the GoPro. Shout out to the motherfucking GoPro. Motherfuckers working. These guys are working. They're putting their work in. Gotta put the work in. Shit. sheesh. The thing is, there's very low visibility. I can barely see ahead of me. But you guys see the attire, right? You know, fucking combat jacket, you know. You gotta stay ready. Gotta stay ready. Yeah, shout out to the GoPro once again. It's probably the third time I dropped it. But it's still going. I only got one battery on me. And if it dies, I've been going for around 11 minutes. I'll go around, go home, and assess what I've shot for the time being, and possibly come right back out or go on a photo shoot, you know. Took a few photos for the gram. You know what it is. It's Atlanta 509. Just go on my Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Just holla. Straight out of Boston. Boston, Mass. It's crazy. There's another car coming, so I'm gonna move to the side. This is insane. Put the mask on. This is fucking insane. But it's beautiful though. As much as it is insane, it's beautiful. Wow. That's the beauty of the Beast Coast. The beauty of the Beast Coast. It's cold. It's icy. Great education. Great pay. Good people. Are we nice out here in Massachusetts? Yeah, I guess. We are nice. We are nice people. You know the crazy thing is? It's that snow slows me the fuck down. It's crazy. Let me see if I can go help somebody with the shovel. Let me ask this person. Nah, he looks okay. He's been digging his driveway. Maybe for the past hour or two. 14 minutes. I think I'm gonna run. They're probably gonna look at me like, this motherfucker's crazy. There's a crazy man running outside. There's a crazy man. Mommy, come look. There's a crazy man running. There's a crazy man running. There's a crazy man running outside. God, motherfucker. Damn it. God damn it. Whew. Y'all saw that? Shit was crazy, huh? Whew. God damn. Whew. Now we made it. I see this car standing right there. This is another part of town. And it's empty as fuck. We gotta go home now. We gotta go home. We gotta go home, man. Alright? We're gonna go home. We're gonna take it home. Let's take it home. Whew. This is crazy. Good Lord. I brought my mask. This is fucking cardio. Whew. Look at me. There's a whole group of people here working. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is insane. It's fucking insane. It's fucking insane. Insane. What the fuck? Now this shit's fucking flying on my face. Oh my goodness. Whew. This is wild. This is fucking wild. Okay then. We going. I don't need no edits. I want to edit this shit. I'm gonna give it to y'all raw, like the old dirty bastard. This just hit me right in my fucking face. Oh, I should have worn goggles. Right now. This is fucking insane. Look at this. I don't know why my uncle just keeps calling me and calling me. He knows I never fucking pick up. I go outside. I gotta go. He just keeps calling me. I don't know why. Send me a text or something. Obviously, I get that. Let me see. Let's see. Can we take? Let me fix my shit, man. Low visibility. The weather's dropping. Can't feel my fucking fingers. The fuck are you doing? A little. It's fucking crazy out here, man. I'm just trying to make it home. Been rolling for 21 minutes now. Ah, fuck. You catch, right? Fuck. I'm just trying to put my gloves on. It's so fucking hard. Shout out to GoPro. Fuck. Wrong. It's crazy, man. My finger's stuck, but I gotta go. Looking all fucked up. We're back on the road. This road just got cleaned up, so I can use it. I can walk faster. It's a little harder when you're trying to walk in the snow because it slows you down. Yeah, probably isn't able to go up the hill. It's slippery. You'll see what's going on here. Snow. Apparently, the snowfall machine is stopped, or it's trying not to hit the cars. But I gotta go. I'm gonna move out the way. Seems like he's stuck. But he's moving. You got it, bud. You got it. Look at this shit. There you go. I'm back in the main road because it's trying to hurry home. Feel right away. This motherfucker is crazy. Shout out to Kevin. Kevin said, you're a genius, man. Kevin said, and Tony, I know. By now, everybody must be saying, you're crazy, dude. Can we get to the good part is I'm doing it. That's the good part. How's it going? Good, how are you? Working hard. You guys are working hard, man. That's the thing I like. A snow day is just like any other day. Now I'm here. Where do I go? Where do I go from here? Go down. Hopefully I catch a fall as I'm going down. It's so hard to breathe. Y'all don't even fucking know. It's so fucking hard to breathe. It's so hard to breathe, man. But we out here. We here. We here. We here. We here. We here. We here. Can we get to the good part? I think that's what the music said. Can we skip to the good part? Can't wait to get to my house though. Talk to my Haitians right now. You guys not encore vivre ici à la de nos paradis. Ce sont haïtiens. Et puis, regardez dans le pays. Côté bien argent. J'aimerais y fonctionner. J'en ai dit. J'en ai dit à frapper. Et pour me dire dans le paradis. Et bon, qu'on a bagaille. Avec un peu de respect. On me dit nous collons guette maman. Toute fatigue. On me dit nous collons guette maman. Parce que j'aimerais y aller là. C'est toujours comment guette maman encore. Parce que nous choisissons à propos de misère. J'aimerais aller là. Nous sommes choisis par rapport de misère. Non? J'arrive là. On va gagner mon encore. Des primes, j'ai presque collé. Primes, j'ai collé. Je dois vous dire paradis là. Qu'on va gagner mon moment. Maman encore. C'est pas comme on a mis ces monnaies là. Bon, comme on a encore. Qu'on a gagné maman. J'aime tout coller. J'aime tout l'eau là, pas qu'à parler. Parce qu'il fait j'aime presque une frise. Et vous par contre, on a Haïti, son paradis. Pour un chalet dans le monde, pour une rivière, pour la mer, pour un pied bois. Pour que j'en pense que c'est paradis toujours. Qu'on a gagné mon moment. Si c'est moi-même qui vous fais le paradis, on va me faire encore. Parce que nous ne connaissons pas. Nous ne connaissons pas. J'aimerais dire là. J'aimerais dire là. Hein? Regardez. Caméra mouille. Ok. J'aimerais dire là. How funny, man. Hopefully my keys are still in my pocket. Okay. Combien? 30 minutes? 24 minutes. Shit. Pour mon bon caille comme ça, il va qu'à sortir, il va qu'à rentrer. Et au même Haïti, soleil sous chaque jour. Parfois, quand on tire la pluie, on va regarder mon capacité de misère ici. Hein? Ouais, neige qui tombe. Et vous offrez 10 moun yo dans le paradis. Get maman. Encore, man. I think I'm giving up. I'm giving up, man. I'm giving up, man. This is crazy. Holy shit. This is it. bury myself. Gonna bury myself. It's being real. Peace out, man.